it's just a good idea to be fire safe, especially these current days.
Yeah, especially when we get a bit more into a pattern where rainfall does become a bit more limited, but don't worry, I do at least have some small rain chances in the forecast, but we have to get through today first. Heat advisories and extreme heat warnings in effect for all of West Texas as we go and throughout much of your noon hour to about 10 p.m. Heat indices could be as high as 115 for the Concho Valley, with those air temperatures likely reaching that near the Big Bend region this evening. Right now, though, it's a warm start, 82 into Pecos. We have some downsloping winds this morning, bringing some breezy conditions for our western counties. But meanwhile, Big Country, Concho Valley, that southerly flow is making it another warm and humid start to the morning, with winds gusting up to near 40 miles per hour into Carlsbad. Elsewhere, sustained winds are ranging from around 5 to 15 miles per hour. We'll make it to triple digits as we head closer to around 1 p.m. and we'll stay there until about 7 p.m., which is when we'll start to see a few rain chances introduced into the forecast as our cold front approaches, dropping our northern counties into the 90s for today, but elsewhere we're still talking widespread triple digits across the board, and especially when we factor in the humidity for the Big Country and Concho Valley, it's going to feel like that 115 in Comanche, 111 in Brady, 109 over into Winters. Drier air into the Permian Basin will actually make it feel more like our air temperature for today. The dry line setting up, drier air towards the west, humid towards the east, surface low towards the north, attached to our cold front, 68, nice and comfortable over into Amarillo. We'll see some of that cooler air come in, but all these ingredients mashed together with an opportunity of an isolated strong storm or two for the northern Big Country, including portions of the eastern Permian Basin, some coin-sized hail, and I think the winds are going to be the main threat, gusty winds from 60 to 65 miles per hour. So let's track it out together. A couple storms later in the afternoon. Big Country, Concho Valley, very isolated even towards the higher terrain. We'll see coverage increase as we head into late tonight into around 10 p.m. With this, some brief heavy downpours are also possible. Very widely scattered in the basin, so hit and miss in nature. And I think we'll be able to see this activity slowly fizzle out as we head into the late night hours, heading into tonight into early tomorrow morning, with a mostly dry start heading into Friday, with another round of a couple isolated showers and storms, especially for higher terrain in our southern counties, with that activity fizzling out by the evening hours. So a tenth of an inch, quarter of an inch for the Permian Basin, isolated totals with some heavier downpours over an inch. Big Country, Concho Valley, a good possible half inch to an inch for most. Isolated totals near 2 inches of rain. So the forecast in detail today, it's going to be more unbearable heat, triple digits, partly cloudy, a couple showers and storms as we working towards your afternoon and evening hours. More so increasing heading into late tonight. Temperatures, though, because of the cold front, will drop into the low 90s, even some upper 80s heading into Friday. But I know we see heading into the weekend, Saturday will be back into the upper 90s, even here in the Permian Basin. Triple digits for Father's Day, with another cool down heading into Tuesday. We'll be right back after the break.